Next year, a geothermal heating and cooling system will be installed at NHS along with other clean energy systems across the school district. $11.5 million project is aimed at furthering the city's goals of reaching carbon neutrality by 2030. The installation of the system will allow the student staff parking lot to be inaccessible during the process. We spoke to the NHS Environmental Club as well as the school community members to learn about the benefits of this project as to how the installation will be handled next year.
On a day-to-day basis, the heating will be much more satisfactory to people, and then also just with operational costs, we won't need as much maintenance in the school, and so overall there will actually be operational savings. This project will be the biggest reduction of CO2 emissions in the city's history.
They're going to do the project in segments, so only roughly a third of the parking lot will be torn up at any given time. So if they can do 1/3 of the parking lot over the summer, then we should have 2/3 of the parking lot operational by the time the school year starts. The third that won't be operational will impact student parking. The hope for the administration to help make the process as smooth as possible for everyone is to continually communicate as we get information. When we know something, we'll let you know, but one of the keys to that is also emphasizing, this is tentative and we don't have anything solid yet.
It's so much bigger than having all of our parking spots. The majority will be taking time in the warmer months, so you can bike to school, walk to school, carpool.
The administration will make sure to be very transparent with students about what's going on, how we're funding this, and make sure that students are informed.
The student union likes to have information for students, right? Because it can be very unclear what the administration wants and what they're doing. And we hope to get information from them in order to fully understand what is going on during the process of construction. Environmental concerns are always kind of a factor in day-to-day life. Like climate change is it's an issue, and it's something that we're going to have to deal with. And I think while there are larger issues than just school heating, taking small steps to combat the issue is a great way to start.
If you have any questions about the project, reach out to the Climate Action and Project Administration Director, Ben Wheel.